Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, the largest airport in Jamaica and the third largest in the Caribbean. Up to 7 million people use this airport every year and the number is growing. Now guys, I want to show you something. We are now pulling up to the departure area. As you can see, rain is falling. And I'm a little surprised. Look at this. People have to be taking their luggage out of the car in the rain, crossing the road in the rain. Look at the buses. There is no covering, no tent for the people to, or I should say passengers, to take out their luggage and head to the departure area. I'm a bit surprised. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And let us know how it is in where you live. How is the airport set up where you guys live? Do you have to go through something like this? Look at it. People have to cross the road. No. Yes, they're doing some work to the airport. The airport is under construction. But what we're seeing here, this is how it has been for a very long time. Now, I think they should have put up some sort of tents. And where you have the pedestrian crossing, like where these people are walking, it should be covered. I think they should have put up canopies, even if it's temporary. And it should be a covered area that you're dropping off passengers and picking them up at that. The arrivals area is more or less the same thing as well. Now this airport actually has two arrival areas. One So passengers that are going to airports or are going on a bus or a shuttle, those kind of things, they have a separate area they go to for pickup. And then when you have the regular pickup area for persons who are being picked up by passengers, by family, etc. So we're now going to the arrivals area. And you can see everybody has to be walking in the rain. I'm really a little surprised. Okay, so this is a general pickup area now. And it's not covered. Where you come out to go in the vehicle, it's not covered. Luckily, where you stand up to wait is covered. And then coming up on the left now, where you're going to see the fence. Over here now on the left, this is where tourists would go. They have a special area, see, it's secured, and you have all the buses parked there and taxis to take them to the different hotels, etc. At least they have some sort of canopy over there on the left. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. I am a bit surprised at the conditions, so let me know what you think about the lack of covering at the airport basically, and let us know how the airports are in other countries. Wherever you live or you travel to, let us know how the airport is set up in terms of something like this. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.